Hello, everyone. Nadine here with PCSN. So today, let's talk about generating complex passwords. So I've talked about this in the past, how you can generate complex passwords. But there's an easier way now with Microsoft Edge. There's a setting where you can have Edge offer you some passwords. So what you want to do is if you go into settings and then click on passwords under your options. So normally it'll come up to this, just click on more settings and then turn the suggest strong passwords on. So once you turn this on, you go to a website, and as you register for a website, it will offer you complex passwords. So that's a good way to get a complex password that is really truly random, as opposed to something that you make up by yourself. You think of a term and then convert it into uppercase, lowercase, some numbers in there and some special characters. This is truly random password. So you don't need a third-party utility to create these random passwords. You can just enable the settings in Edge and let Edge create that for you. Hopefully it'll make your life a little easier, where you don't have to manage yet another app just to manage your passwords. I know everybody is kind of getting overwhelmed with having to manage a lot of passwords. Internally, we use an app for password management, and that's because it has both personal and shared passwords, and it has individual vaults for different teams. So but that's a paid application that we have. Of course, that's an option, but if you want something for free for personal use, just use Edge. It works well. Until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe out there.